Hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm gonna teach you about a funnel that I really like, which is the squeeze page funnel. I'm gonna show you how to use a simple squeeze page funnel to build a list of potential buyers. For me, this is like one of the most important funnels that you can use to build any business, not only affiliate marketing, but any online business. Okay, so let's begin. So, what are we gonna see? First of all, it's like what's a squeeze funnel? Like, which are the pages that the squeeze funnel is gonna build it's gonna be built with. So the first one is gonna have like a lead magnet opt-in, and then you're gonna have a thank you page that is really simple but super powerful. Here on the lead magnet opt-in, you're gonna have or you're gonna be capturing the emails. You're gonna give them something that they want, okay? Like an ethical bribe, okay? Something that they want, a coupon code, a PDF, really powerful, and you're gonna capture their emails. Okay, so you're gonna capture your email because we want to keep in touch with them. Then you're gonna have a thank you page. On the thank you page, you are gonna give them what you offers. Okay, want you let them know that you're gonna give them for free, and optional, you can have a call to action to the product that you are promoting. It's optional, this is not mandatory. Okay, so you're gonna collect the emails with the lead magnet opt-in page, and then you're gonna have the thank you page. Most of the time, whenever someone is thinking about a landing page, this is what they have in mind. Okay, I want to be in touch with them. I want to know that this person is interested and this is not like some kind of garbage traffic, and I want them to have or to do this simple action. Okay, how will you use a squeeze page funnel in your business? Okay, as I mentioned before, you're gonna collect email addresses so you can do follow-ups. This is super important, okay, because most people think that they're gonna send the traffic right away to the product and voila, they're gonna get sales. That's not gonna happen. Okay, actually you're gonna lose money, and we don't want that. So that's why you're going to be doing follow-ups. So in those follow-ups, you're going to be talking about the product or the service that you're going to be offering. You're going to be building a relationship. Okay, so that's the next thing. Like, you're going to get new leads and you're going to be build a relationship with them, so they're going to buy with confidence not just one product but several products or several services. Also, you're going to be build an audience if you're planning to have a product launch. So before creating the product, I suggest you to collect people that you know that they're really interested. So you know that you're gonna have an audience of people who would like to purchase your product, because you can spend months, even years, creating the perfect product, and it's pretty sad if you do not have an audience. Okay, what can you offer, or what we usually call the lead magnet? You can offer almost anything. Okay, you can offer a free report, you can offer free videos, coupons, access to a members area. It can be a fee consultant, maybe 30 minutes consultant. Okay, even a quote. Okay, so use your imagination, put something that you can offer that is going to be related to the product or service that you're promoting, and give it there, give it for free. Do not be afraid to share what you know. Okay, what do you need to create this funnel? Okay, as you can see here, I put like an example of this funnel. Is kind of simple because you're gonna need your logo, you're gonna need your headline or copy, you're gonna need a picture. Okay, and of course the call to action. Okay, so really easy, really simple. And how you can create a squeeze based funnel. Okay, if you're wondering how you are gonna create this, don't worry, you do not need to be a designer, you do not need to be a programmer, you do not need to hire a designer, you do not need to hire a programmer, you do not need to be a website builder. Okay, just keep watching and I'm going to show you how you are going to be building this squeeze space really easy in less than 10 minutes. Okay, as I promised, I'm gonna show you how to create a squeeze page without any technical skills. Okay, the tool that I use and I just suggest you to go with, it's called Builderall. It's really easy and really user friendly, and it's drag and drop. So it's an all-in-one marketing solution, and I'm going to show you how to use it in a moment. Okay, in order to create your squeeze page, you're going to go here where it says builders, then you're going to go click here where it says drag and drop perfect, sorry, pixel perfect, and you're going to click here on sales funnels. You're going to land on this page in which you have a lot of funnels that I'm going to be talking on future videos, not in this one. So in this one we are going to be focusing on the squeeze space funnel, which is this one. Okay, it says create a curious lead and gain email address with this simple two-page funnel. Okay, you're gonna click here where it says select funnel, and okay, it's gonna load the funnel that we actually need with all the pages that we actually need, which are just two. Okay, so we're gonna wait until it's load. Here we have Builderall logo, and the system what it's currently doing is that it is creating this funnel in your account. Okay, oh, I forgot this part because I already explained it. Okay, here is like a kind of a tutorial of how many pages you're gonna have. You're gonna have just two, as I explained before, and you just need to have 10 minutes to edit it. Here you're gonna have a video that is gonna explain you how the squeeze funnel works if you want to watch it, but it's basically when I explain you. Here you're gonna have the funnel blueprint. Okay, so basically you're gonna drive traffic to your squeeze page, you're gonna collect emails, and they're gonna land on a thank you page. Remember what I mentioned before, that they're gonna be doing follow-ups. So we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna now click here where it says edit template, and now we are opening the template. Okay, so the template is gonna have basically everything that we need. So we are gonna start editing. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to edit this with Builderall. As I mentioned before, I really like Builderall because it gives me all the tools that I need. It's a website builder, a funnel builder, and I do have an autoresponder as well, so I do not need to be scratching my head like, okay, what's the tools that I need. I'm gonna have like the full suite. Okay, and it's really easy to use. So right now it's loading all the content to my account. Okay, it's loading all the content to my account, so I'm gonna have everything that I need. Okay, now we have the squeeze space funnel. Okay, if we go here to the top, we're gonna see that we have the pages that we need, which is the squeeze page, the thank you page, and again you have the blueprint just in case that you want to remove it. This funnel is not that complicated, so we are not gonna review it. Okay, so first we're gonna have the squeeze space. So really easy how we are gonna edit. First we're gonna change our logo. So I'm gonna do a right click, and I'm gonna click here where it says change image. I'm gonna use some of the images that I already insert on the system, so I'm not gonna be uploading any image. Okay, so now I'm gonna choose the logo. I'm gonna choose the Builderall logo, so I'm gonna confirm it. But if you want to upload a logo or an image, you're gonna click here where it says upload, and you're gonna have it there. It's gonna be a JPEG or a PNG, and the image says it's up to 4 megabytes. You can have or you can check the image collection, the icon collection, the GIF animated, etc. If you are working on some specific landing page, you can create a directory and you can have all the images related to that product there. So I'm gonna click here, I'm gonna click confirm, and voila, I have my logo. Okay, it's white so I cannot see it, so I'm gonna click here to choose it. Now we're gonna choose here where it says right click, and we're gonna click here where it says appearance. we're gonna click here on the wheels, and I'm gonna choose a background color because I cannot see my logo right now. So I'm gonna put it here, that dark blue, and as you can see, it's really easy. Now I have my background logo. Something that I told you that I really like about Builderall is a drag and drop. So let's say that I don't want to have my logo there, but I want to have it on the left. So boom, I have my logo on the left. I literally drag and drop. If you don't want to have it there for whatever reason and you want to put it here, you can put it here. Here it's letting me know that it's gonna be changing the area. Sure, no worries. Okay, it's gonna go back. Cool. As you can see, literally drag and drop. And okay, it says here you're gonna, let's go to the headline. So I double click here. Um, let's I'm gonna put something like watch my amazing, I don't know, my amazing, I want to use this blue because I think it's great, my amazing video. Okay, so that's gonna be my headline. Oops, watch my amazing video. Okay, so let's say that you don't want video to be like blue, that you want to have it on another color. Don't worry, it's really easy. If you know how to use Microsoft Word, you know how to use Builderall. So we have here the pre-made colors, or you can click here which has more colors and you are gonna have more colors. So boom, I already changed the color. Really nice, huh? I know. Here you're gonna have the headline. I'm not gonna change the headline, okay, but there is something that I want you to see. uh, okay, in this exercise, let's say that I want to have an image. Okay, so I want to have an image and I want to make this smaller. So as you can see, I literally drag and drop it. Okay, if I want to add an image, I'm gonna click here and then I'm gonna click here where it says image, and I'm gonna click here where it says image, and boom, I do have an image, but this is not the image that I'm looking for. So I click on it, right click, I'm gonna click here where it says change image. Again, here on my menu, let's say that I'm gonna use this one. So I click here, confirm, right? I'm gonna put it on the right size because right now it's super big, right? So let's say I'm gonna put it there like smaller and want to put this like this, and the arrows, and voila, I have my squeeze space. Really easy. Okay, if you're wondering like, okay, Diana, how I'm gonna integrate this with my actual autoresponder or with the autoresponder that you provide me, that you suggest me, like mailing bus is the autoresponder that is here on Builderall. Well, it's really easy, it's not that difficult. You're gonna click, choose the open form, click here where it says configure. Oh, I need to save my layout. Nice catch. Okay, I need to save my layout because I'm working on it, so I'm gonna put like, I'm gonna put squeeze page funnel video. Okay, so it's saving here, right? It's really important that we need to save all our changes. Okay, so now let's go ahead, click, right click. Okay, we're gonna click here where it says configure, and as you can see here, all the autoresponders that you can integrate. Mailing bus is the autoresponder that is already built in with Builderall, but in my case I use Aweber. I really love Awebers and I start my online business with Aweber, so using Aweber is really easy to integrate it. Okay, if you're wondering what happened with the thank you page, it's gonna be exactly the same exercise. You're gonna change it there. Okay, so as you can see, I have my top here. Okay, and I do have the background color. Okay, so really nice. Again, drag and drop, double click, to change the copy. Here, as you can see, you can have different text. If you want to have bold, italic, uh, another text font color, whatever, right? Here you can have a video talking about the product, or you can have a link to download the PDF, or as I mentioned before, optional, non-mandatory. You can do an upsell, downsell, and promote your affiliate product here with a call to action, so the person is going to be redirect to a URL about your product. So as you can see, really easy. It is really easy to do it with Builderall. Real Builderall. Why I'm suggesting Builderall, not only because it's so easy, it's because it's really affordable. The price is $29.90 per month, and you're gonna have all the tools that you need. If you go back here, you're gonna see that we have a website builder, we have the autoresponder, we have an app builder, we have a design area, we have a video editor. So it's a lot of stuff with just for just $29.90, a lot of value. Okay, everything that you need there. It's $29.90 per month, really great. And what I love is the drag and drop website builder, so I don't need to be like so overwhelmed. So if you're on the affiliate marketing and you want to promote Builderall, as I'm doing, the price is going to be $49.90, but it's pretty worth it because you're going to have the Builderall business area with a lot of resources. Okay, so all the links are going to be in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really enjoy it, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any doubts. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and see you on the next video.